everyone, and welcome to Pole Identity, where I will show you how to make your pole dancing more flowy, creative and effortless. Today we will be going through a trick called the Running Man, which is the name that I just came up with myself, but you will see what I mean once I show it to you. It looks like this. Yeah, you see the running. And let's get to it. All right, so how do we use this Running Man thingy on the pole? I can come up with at least 3 different functions for it. So number 1 is to have it in your choreo as a transition, maybe between a floor part and a combo on pole part, or even between the 2 different floor parts to kind of give a little bit more height to the story and then go back to another floor part. Number 2 is the drama it will give to your choreo, because it will make it look bigger and higher, and it's fairly easy to put it in because it's not that heavy, especially if you don't do it for long. You can even be considered as a kind of an active rest position, but it will give the drama to your choreo. And then number 3 is storytelling, because you're running, and just try searching Run on Spotify and you will have a lot of songs that you will be matching the lyrics to with your running steps, of course. But also even with some instrumental songs, you can like mark every beat with the running steps, which can enhance the feeling to the music that you're dancing to. So that was maybe on top of my 3 functions for this move, but if you have more, let me know in the comments and share how you use this trick. Okay, let's get to it. First of all, put your pole on spinny. Great. Next step, we will go through the hand movement. So we have the inside hand, the left one, which we'll be putting with a normal grip on the eye height, approximately, if we're going this direction, which we will be doing now. When we have our hands here, we will put our precious forearm onto the pole as much as we can, because that will distribute our weight and it will make it much easier for us, right? Then we have the second hand, this hand, outside hand, right hand. It goes with a normal grip here, approximately this distance between the hands, okay? And once we're up and flying, we will be leaning over to our forearm. So we'll be pushing into the pole here, and then we will be pulling ourselves with our hands towards the pole. So we will have this active shoulder position locked in. You know the drill, so remember it. Okay, that was the hands. Also, if we get back to the hands, here we go. And if I turn here, I want you to have your head to the left side of the pole, which will help you distribute your weight a little bit more evenly, so it will make it even easier for you to get through this trick and actually maybe use it even as a rest instead of fighting towards your own weight. Next step will be the legs. So let's get back with this hand, left hand on the pole, and then we will be making 1 step with the inside leg, so also left leg. We'll be making 1 step, and then the outside leg will do the jump, and we go up. Okay, let's try it. First time without doing the walking part, just getting up into the air. Left hand goes here, forehand goes here. We make a step with the left leg, and then we jump, grab the pole, and fly. Okay. Maybe you saw at this point that my head, as I mentioned earlier, was to the left side of the pole. So I want this position. because this is super heavy, much less heavy. Okay. Once you get comfortable with this, you can try making like small baby steps. Let's go again. Left hand on the pole, left leg makes a step, and then jump. Hold a bit, and then try to find them steps, okay? Good. Once you get a little bit more comfortable with the position and also the dynamics of the movement of jumping and grabbing with the right hand, then, because this can be scary a bit in the beginning to do this at the same time, so try it a little bit smaller in the beginning, and then once you get a bit more comfortable, you can dare to try to make it bigger, because the higher you jump, the bigger your movement will be. So we will put this hand, instead of eye height, we'll put a bit higher, maybe here, slightly over our hands. And then we will need to do a proper jump, right? So we do everything exactly the same. Left leg, and then we do a proper jump. And here, as you can see, I can lean more to the side. So instead of doing this, I'm already doing this, which will make my steps look much bigger, and the whole movement will be like take up more space, which makes it more dramatic, you know? So try this, and don't forget your other side, okay? Promise. All right, cool. And now once you know the drill and we work through the movement, I will show it to you in a combination to get you a little bit inspired of what you can do with it. Thanks for watching and have fun!